for the balloons. Alright, I got a question.
Hello guys. Sabi ko kanina kay June, let's go home kasi sabi ko sobrang aga. Maaga pa, ayoko mag-stay dun sa Oktoberfest. And then bago kami umalis, sabi ko, it looks like it's gonna rain. Pero sa weather forecast, hindi sinabi na uulan. And look what outside right now. Look at outside. Oh, ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Wow. Oh my God, ang baho, alimuom. Look at that. Ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Pero maliwanag. Maliwanag yung pero lakas ng ulan. Buti na lang, umuwi kami. Tama-tama, pag uwi ng bahay, ayan, bumagsak talaga yung ulan. Siguro mamaya may rainbow. Ang baho, guys, maalimuog. By anyway, yung ngayon, yung mga tao sa Oktoberfest, basa sila ngayon, basa. Buti na lang talaga, nangungulit ako. Sabi ko, uwi na muna tayo. Gusto ko umuwi. O, buti na lang, nakinig sila sa akin. Kung hindi, basa kami. O, tara, ayan na. Oh my God. Pero yung guys, yung ang tawag nito, yung ulap, may part na madilim. And then may part na maliwanag. Tignan natin kung makukuhaan ng DJ. Tignan natin kung makukuhaan ng DJ. Ay, bulol-bulol talaga. Ayan guys, oh. Tignan nyo. Makikita nyo ba? Oh, yung part na yan, sunny, yung part dito, cloudy. Oh, diba? Tignan nyo talaga. Grabe. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo yung ang lakas ng ulan. Oh my God. Kawawa guys yung nasa sa Oktoberfest. Basa sila. Oh. Kaya makikita nyo, oh. Yung cloud doon, oh. Bright siya. Isang lang to. Isang bagsakan lang. Kasi kanina guys, yung init niya, iba. Iba yung init niya kanina. Malinsangan. Tapos, yung hangin niya, malamig. Kaya sabi ko kay June, oh my God, yung namin dun, yung alulod. Kaya sabi ko kay June, uwi muna tayo kasi inaantok ako. Lumabas na yung araw. Namimiss ko tuloy yung Pilipinas pag ganito. Mamaya nito, pagpunta namin dun sa Oktoberfest, basa yung mga upuan. Buti na lang guys talaga, umuwi kami. Oh my God. Umuwi ako guys. Umuwi kami. Tapos umakit ako sa kwarto. Tapos nag-edit ako. Tapos narinig ko yung bintana. Parang may humahampas na hangin. Sabi ko, what is that? Yun pala yung ulan yun. Humahampas sa humahampas sa window. Ayan guys, oh, maaraw yun doon. Oh, tignan nyo, maaraw na. Oh. Medyo pa na yung yung ulan. Ayan. Di ko alam kung makikita ninyo. Di ko alam kung makikita ba yung talsik-talsik ng mga... I know, it's sunny, but...
Not like the weather again. About right now.
I know, but I see the cloud. Look at the cloud up there. Check the weather again. Oh yeah, the alulod, yung alulod. Yeah. Magos yung alulod doon, guys. Ayan, oh, nabasa na yung sa may nabasa na yung dito sa my garden na sira yung ano doon. Alulod. Ang weather talaga ay nako, unpredictable. Yun doon oh, maliwanag. The sun is up. Tingnan, oh. Tingnan niyo si June. Ayusin niya yung ano, alulod. Mababasa yung DJI natin. Ayan. Too late. Ah, ang daming ano. Ang dami niyang dahon. Ano kaya? Ano kaya yung ginawa ni June? Tanga-tanga. Oh my gosh. Siyong. Ano ba yung ginagawa mo?
Hold on, let me. Check again. Think about rain.
It still rain heavily. Unpredictable Indiana weather. Okay guys, anong oras na? 5:40. 5:40 p.m. Anyway, umulan ng malakas kanina, huminto na siya. Tapos, ito na yung ano guys, yung weather ngayon pagkatapos ng ulan. Oh, ayan na guys, ang taas na naman ng araw. Ayan. Yung ano, yung tignan nyo guys yung ano, yung cloud, oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda na naman ng cloud. Ibig sabihin, nagbuhos lang ng sama ng loob yung weather. Nagbuhos lang ng sama ng loob yung weather. Hindi kasi guys, yung weather forecast for today, talagang hindi naman naka-schedule na uulan. I don't think anybody knows it's gonna rain. Pero napansin ko lang talaga kanina guys, bago kami umalis. Sabi ko kay June, look at the cloud. It looks like gonna rain. Sabi pa ni June, it's not gonna rain. It's not supposed to rain. O, tapos biglang umulan. But anyway, dahil nga umulan, yung temperature nag-drop. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, ayan, naka-ano kasi yung aking DJI guys. Naka-ano siya ganito oh. Pakita ko sa inyo, hold on. Ayan. Ganito, bumili ako ng ganito guys. Ayan siya. Ito yung case niya ng DJI. But anyway, kasi maglalakad tayo, nakaganto siya. Nakalagay siya side. But anyway, puro anyway. Anyway, nag-drop yung temperature. Kaya nagpalit tayo ng long sleeve. Ayan. Wala kasi akong tiwala guys sa Indiana weather. Sa totoo lang. Tapos nag-ipit ako. O 'di ba? Para ata akong nene. Nene. But anyway, ngayon ay 5:40 p.m. Ngayon, ang balak namin, punta na naman kami dun sa Oktoberfest. At maglakad-lakad na naman tayo uli. Tapos, tonight, I believe, meron silang magandang banda. Makikinig tayo ng music sa live band nila. Tapos, isa sa gusto ko sana mag-ride ng wagon. So, I don't know if I'm gonna be lucky enough to ride the wagon. Kasi, every time na dumarating siya dun sa may, sa town, dun sa pinaka-area, napupuno siya agad. Kailangan magmadalian talaga. Pero yung live band, 100% yung pupunta tayo. Di ko alam if I'm gonna like it. I don't know what kind of music they're going to play. But, no matter what it is. Hindi kasi ako guys, big fan ng rockstar. Yung rockstar na ang ingay-ingay, hindi ako big fan ng ganun. So, try natin mamaya kung anong klaseng music yung ipi-play nila. So, let's go. Hinihintay ko pa sila JR. Nagige ready na si JR. So, ito ang outfit natin today. Just in case na lumamig na naman yung temperature kasi Indiana weather, unpredictable. Yup. Yup. Indiana weather is very unpredictable. So, for parang for safety lang. Safety! 'Di ba? Naka long sleeve tayo. Ayan. So, that's it. Punta na tayo sa Oktoberfest again. Parang syunga.
I'm getting my keys here.
Okay, JR. Anyway, nandito na naman po tayo. Mainit pa, guys.
Kasi nandito ako.
The train. Oh, yeah. Go ahead, Daddy. Go ahead.
I want to money mover. Over.
Yeah.
What are you doing at Money Mover?
Yeah. Anyway, guys, perfect timing. I'm gonna show you guys this. We just got here in a parking lot, Oktoberfest. And guess what I seen? This is crazy. But anyway, my train na darating. Pero nag-iingat siya kasi ito yung itsura, guys, oh. Ayan yung train, guys. Nakikita nyo pa? Ayan yung train, guys, oh. Nakikita nyo yung ilaw, ayan. Anyway, dahan-dahan yung train, guys. Kasi nandun yung mga Ferris wheel. But it's so cool. Kasi first time ko itong na-experience. And then, mai-share ko sa inyo, guys, na meron ditong train. Ayan. Tuwang-tuwa sa train. So cool. Wow. Ayan siya, guys. Ang haba ng train. Ayun. Ang haba. That is crazy. Nakakabaliw. Ayan, guys, yung train. Ang haba. First time ko lang siya nakita, like, closer. Siguro, guys, mga gas. Oh my gosh. Ang haba niya. Anyway, that is so wild. May train din dito, guys, sa lugar na tinitirhan ko. Pero yung pagka-train niya, exporting product. Minsan, sasakyan yung laman niya. Kung minsan, siguro gas, yung iba gas. I don't know, I'm not sure, okay? I'm just saying. Kasi yung itsura ng tangke niya parang gas. Tapos yung iba, kung ano-ano pa. But anyway, asa na si June? Hanapin natin si June, guys. Ay, nandun. Kumuha sila ng pera. Wala nang pambili ng pagkain. Ang haba ng ano guys, oh. Train. Let's go! This way, because I want to see the train. The train is still there, guys. Look. So cool. Anyway, nagugutom na ako. Itatry natin tong isang dish.
I don't know how much you heard him. He took that.
Ano ba yan? Nadidistract ako. I heard this dish, ano daw, seafoods or Hawaiian kind of style. So, let's try it. Oh, where are we going? This way? I don't know. Asan na? Oh, Daddy! I'm here. Anyway, I bought this food.
What'd you buy?
This one. Try it. Let's go sit down. Let's go sit down so we can try this nice food, guys. Let's try this food.
What'd you get, Sam?
I don't know. I don't even know what's the name of it. Here, hold up. Wait a bit. The mouth looks tired. Oh, raw fish. Okay, I'm scared. There. Let's try it. I don't know about this.
Is this
I don't know about this raw fish.
How about the tuna or salmon?
Should I win further that or we go to the bar and try to get that? You got third?
Sure, baby girl. Stay
Minus 3 trophies. I'm already know. You did tell her to take as much as she needed.
You're good.
It's good, guys. I didn't expect it's good. I think what I use her and fish.
What kind of?
18.
That's about right.
You want to try, Daddy? You don't want to try it.
Janine's gonna like this one.
They have raw fish, rice, cucumber, and imitation crab. Go eat it.
Go finish it.
It's good, guys.
Oreo, where are you scrolling together?
It's still right here, man. It's kind of like sushi. Right?
Where's your Oreo?
She bought the same thing, guys.
This is good. I like that. That's spicy.
Wasabi.
No, actually, I don't like this wasabi. I like the spice from this. What is that? The sushi that you make me?
Musubi.
Misubi. Make me some of those so I can take it to.
Sorry, guys. Ate the wasabi.
That's why I don't eat wasabi.
I mean, wasabi is good.
I'd rather to eat this
But I think I put too much.
Bread good?
Kaya ano,
You gotta want that other piece?
naubos na namin, guys.
You want hot
It's
dog?
good.
Buddy?
I finally sit.
good.
Yeah, I finally sit down.
Go eat it.
Sabi ko,
That'll work.
mga Pilipino sanay naman kumain na nakatayo. So,
You want a hot dog?
good.
Want a stick? Okay, I'll take the bread. We'll get you a hot dog.
We're done eating the Hawaiian food, guys. You got it? Okay. Now we are going to try to check. We're gonna try to check it out, the hot air balloon.
Wrong way down a one-way street, right? Yeah. What it is, you're putting a finger Like out one side or another. Move those hands. Don't let go. Move those.
Lakad pa rin tayo, guys. Lakad pa rin. Tignan natin guys kung ano yung meron sa hot air balloon. I don't know, are they gonna go float or they just gonna put, they just gonna light it up? Pero hindi pa ata lilipad, baka bukas pa raw ata ililipad. Baka bukas pa daw siya lilipad. Ano ba yung Tagalog ko? Ba- Oh. You're gonna pee? Okay. Iihi daw si June dun sa portable potty. Huh?
Is he going to get money?
Is withdrawing from
Tell him to get me
401k?
some too. Yeah, I'm about
He's
got to
withdrawing
hit their
from 401k.
401k.
Hey, withdraw some.
Sailor, stop it! Quit it! Quit it! What are you doing? Sander, no more! Please, no more, Sander! What the heck?
Oh my god.
Stop! Funny!
I am sweating.
Oh. Niloloko niya ako, guys. Oh, guys, we're getting closer. Look! Tignan niyo yung ano, air balloon. Hot air balloon. Oh, look at that! Is that turtle or dragon?
Wow. Upside down turtle.
Upside down turtle. Oh, yeah.
Upside down turtle says. I said it's an elephant.
Oh,
It is
wow.
an elephant.
Is it elephant?
It's an elephant. You're right, Sander. I thought it's a turtle. It's an elephant.
Oh my God, Sanderson. You just like your Peppa, your Lulu, makulit.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, I'm sorry. Anyway, guys, we're here.
It's an upside
Look
down
at it.
turtle, right?
Upside down. Yung mga hot air
It's an
balloon.
elephant. It is an elephant. Let's go get closer.
Okay. Okay, Sander, let's go. Hot air balloon. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay.
All right, just real quick, from all of the pilots, if you are ready to go, if you want to give me a thumbs up, I'm right here in the middle. All right, I got a thumbs up here. I got a twinkle right there. All righty, twinkles or a quick little shot in the balloon will give me a thumbs up and we'll get this going.
Hindi siya ganong makita.
2, 1, twinkle! All right, make some noise, everybody.
Tapos na kami dun, guys, sa hot air balloon. Ngayon, punta naman tayo ulit dun sa main downtown. Bulol. Anyway, lakad na naman tayo, guys. Daming tao. Nandito na kami, guys. Sa... Oh, there? Okay. We're here, guys. Sana hindi tayo makopyright. I'm trying to figure out who is this guy. band kanina. This time, pangalawang band na to. Look at guys.
Give me a hell yeah!
Malis na kami doon guys sa live band. Patapos na. By the way, what time they close, Daddy?
11.
Oh yeah, they close at 11. So ilang minutes na lang, 10:30 na. So we decided to walk around. Kasi itong Oktoberfest, they close 11. Kaya yung mga tao nag-uuwian na. Tapos, they have one more day tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the third day. So, yung mga tao, yung iba naglilinis na. Okay. Naglilinis na yung iba, guys. Tapos yung iba nag-uuwian na. At saka guys, by the way, perfect weather. Napaka-perfect niya. Ang sarap maglakad pag ganito yung weather. Uwian na yung mga tao. Ano eh? See? So that's it for now guys. Baka mahaba na naman yung ating video. See you next video. Oh, vlogging. Okay.
Galing tayo pa ito.
Can you say hi to my vlog? Hi. Friend nyo guys si ano ni JR. Huh? 11. It's about 11, right? Alright, that's all for now guys.